Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about the unsung hero of your makeup bag lip liner. Often overlooked, but truly a game changer. We're going to delve into why this simple tool deserves a prime spot in your beauty arsenal. It's not just an extra step. It's the secret to a crisp, defined pout that lasts for hours. Think of it as the foundation for your lipstick, ensuring everything stays in place and looks flawless. Lip liner acts as a barrier, stopping lipstick from feathering, bleeding, and generally misbehaving, keeping your look sharp and polished all day long. No more worrying about your lipstick migrating into fine lines around your mouth. Struggling with uneven lips or a less defined Cupid's bow? Many of us aren't born with perfectly symmetrical features, and that's perfectly okay. Lip liner lets you subtly correct and enhance your natural shape, creating the illusion of fuller, more balanced lips. It's about refining, not reinventing, just a touch of artistry for a stunning finish that elevates your entire makeup look. Fill in your lips completely with liner before applying lipstick. This creates a base for richer color payoff and dramatically longer wear. No more faded centers or color rings, just vibrant, evenly distributed color that lasts and lasts. Taking this extra step shows you care about the details, and that attention to detail translates to a polished and put-together look, ultimately boosting your confidence. Ready to master it? Let's find your perfect shade and technique in the next video. Stay tuned. Choosing the right lip liner shade doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with a liner that matches your natural lip color, perfect for every day and pairs with any lipstick. For bold looks, match your liner to your lipstick for a seamless, defined edge. Want fuller lips? Go 1 to 2 shades deeper than your lipstick for a subtle contour and plumper effect. Avoid harsh contrasts. Blend for a soft transition. Don't overlook clear liners. They prevent feathering with any lip product and are foolproof for beginners. With these tips, you'll always pick the right liner for any look. Let's nail the application. Start by exfoliating and moisturizing your lips for a smooth base. Sharpen your liner for precision, and warm it up with a quick swipe on your hand. Use short, light strokes, never one long line. Begin at your Cupid's bow, drawing a small X for symmetry, then outline the rest of your lips. Repeat on the bottom lip, working from the center outward. Fill in your lips with the liner for lasting color. Soften edges with a brush or fingertip for a natural look. Now you're ready for lipstick or gloss. Simple steps, flawless results. Alright, let's dive into some pro tips and tricks that will seriously up your lip game. We're about to share some insider secrets that makeup artists swear by. First up, steady your hand. Rest your pinky gently on your chin. This simple trick provides an anchor, helping you to steady your hand for a super clean and precise line. It's all about control and accuracy. Next, and this is crucial, keep your lips relaxed, not stretched or pursed. This ensures you're working with your natural lip shape, giving you the most natural and flattering result. Overstretching can lead to wonky lines. Now, for a fuller, more voluminous look, subtly trace just outside your natural lip line, focusing primarily at the center of your upper and lower lips. The key is to then blend that slightly overdrawn line seamlessly back to your real edge as you reach the corners of your mouth. Always blend the liner inward towards the center of your lips. This creates a seamless gradient effect, eliminating any harsh, unnatural lines. We want a soft, diffused look. Got a little carried away? No problem. Use a tiny, fine-tipped brush with a touch of concealer. This is your secret weapon to clean up any uneven edges and sharpen your overall lip look. Precision is key. This clever trick not only erases any little mistakes you might have made, but it also creates a beautiful contrast that makes your lips pop and stand out. Incorporating these small tweaks into your routine will instantly elevate your lip game, making your lips look professionally done every single time. So go ahead and try these tips and see the amazing difference they can make. You'll be amazed at the results. Want your lip look to last from morning coffee to evening cocktails? Achieving long-lasting lip color is easier than you think. We're about to reveal the secrets to keeping your lipstick vibrant and fresh all day long. First, create a solid base. Fill in your lips completely with liner. This not only defines your lip shape but also acts as a primer, giving your lipstick something to grip onto. Next, apply your favorite lipstick. For maximum staying power, use a lip brush to press the color into your lips, ensuring every crevice is covered. Now blot. Blotting removes excess oils that can cause your lipstick to fade or transfer. For extra staying power, set with a touch of translucent powder through a thin tissue. This helps to lock in the color without dulling the finish. Finally, add a final layer of lipstick for all-day color that truly lasts. This seals everything in and provides a vibrant, fresh look that will endure. Made a mistake? Don't panic. We've all been there. The key is a quick and precise fix. Use a pointed cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to gently erase small errors around the edges of your lips. For a super clean line, concealer on a fine brush can work wonders to clean up and redefine the edges of your lips, creating a crisp, professional finish. If your lines are uneven, resist the urge to keep adding more product. It will only make it worse. Instead, gently erase the problem area completely and redraw with light, feathery strokes for a more natural and balanced look. Always check your symmetry straight on in the mirror. This gives you the most accurate perspective and helps you catch any imbalances. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment and refine your technique, the easier it will become to achieve flawless results. Use these quick fixes and longevity tips to keep your lips looking flawless and fabulous, no matter what the day throws your way. Now you've got all the knowledge and tools you need for a perfect pout that lasts. Thanks for watching. Go rock those lips with confidence and style.